Again, is about a 141-year-old canal, the first one that they dug out here. And it shows its age. It's called the Fern. It shows its age very well. Straight up is about a 250-year-old southern pine tree. To the right, you're going to see an old live oak. We'll make that two live oaks that actually grew together about 400 years ago. Fairbanks Avenue. This street, well, this is the busiest street in town, but it's also a great reminder of why we don't have roofs on our boats anymore. And you'll see our water line's very low right now, so ducking is optional, but not so much during our summer rainy season. But we're a good foot low right now. You know, I look at this bullfrog over here and I think, you know, I sat down with him a while back and I couldn't understand a single word he said. Anybody know who that is?
Jeremiah.
Very good, sir.
Old doggy.
Exactly. I love it when there's somebody old enough to remember that. Besides me.